development of high school learners. So, defining adolescence. Adolescence is a period of transition in terms of physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional changes. Physical transition being particularly coupled with sexual transformation. So, dili na nagsubot ang pag-transform sa atong lawas through physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional changes. So, there are three stages of adolescence. So, early adolescence is characterized by puberty, mostly occurring between ages to 12. So, kanina stage, hindi makaidara ka na hindi pag mga luwa, din, maghihingay na kung bago sa lawas through physical affairs na to. So, the second is video adolescence. It's characterized by identifying issues within the age of 14 to 15 years old. So the next stage, na pagbago sa tuglawas, anang gawin at huliho, at magdala tayo mga kanang kasalamat sa mga lapay na kaya ng mga atang sampot down, at paglingang magpapad. Girls, ano kayo dito sa mga experience o first menstruation nila. Ba na kayo ng mga kuya sa high school. So, the sense, mark the transition into adulthood at ages of 17 years old. So, oh my God, itali no, experience mo na nila. So, kanina stage, nandari na, natin katuloy nung na idea kung galingon, natin na, kung siya may buhato, sa katuloy nung, kung siya may buhato, hali. So, the testosterone, in the male sex organ, estrogen is the female ovaries, fitted with the male testes. So, this is the male sex organ, and the estrogen is the female ovary. So, the energy in females is menstruation. It will achieve beginning at 11 years old. So, ang energy kung muli ang tawag sa first menstruation sa mga babae at the age of 11 to 12 years old. So, sexual key signals the first sign of pregnant sexual maturity is need to start seeing things na significant produced by the prostate gland almost immediately. So, kahit ito mag-start ang maturity goals ka ng bugawas sa pagkaroon ng significant murag ka para sa laki. So, the muscular thread is a phenomenon or more of a single maturation during the surgery. Both in the industrial sector and the first industrial period. So, they have start the ilahang industrial period at age 15 to 17. So, today's boys reach their maximum height at age 18 to 20 and 13 to 14 for girls. But adults' height 100 years ago was at 23 to 55 for boys and 19 to 20 for girls. So, sexual identity. Adolescence is a time of sexual exploration and experimentation with sexual fantasies and realities of incorporating sexuality with one's own identity. From John 2005, from one's identity, adolescents are concerned about their body image, sexual attractiveness, how to do sex, and future of their sexual life. So, anak sila mag-start nito sa curiosity about sexual fantasies and realities niya. Concern about body image and sexual attractiveness and concern about how to engage in sexual activities. Magkano sila mukha na sila curious about sex and so, self-esteem is defined as one's own thoughts and feelings about one's self-concept and identified are across of all genders and ages to maintain, protect, and enhance self-esteem. So, individuals' thoughts and feelings about their self-concept and identity. Most theories agree that people of all genders and ages have a strong desire to maintain, protect, and enhance their self-esteem. Implications for child care, education, and parenting. The physical development of adolescents or children, parents need to be aware of manifestation of behavioral patterns that require closer communication, guidance, and support. So during adolescence, physical development can influence behavior. Parents and caregivers need to recognize signs in behavioral patterns that may require closer communication, guidance, and emotional support to help adolescents navigate their critical period and foster health self-esteem. So, adolescents and nutrition, it is necessary for adolescents to have sufficient amount of vitamin C, protein, calcium, zinc, iron, protein, and vitamin C. So, adolescents need adequate amount of essential nutrients like vitamins B12 and E, calcium, zinc, iron, and to support the rapid growth and development during this age. Body image and adolescence, it can body image is strong during the adolescence period. It is important that they feel confident about how they look in physical features of human body. So body image is particularly significant during adolescence. Feeling confident about their physical appearance and body features is crucial for their self-esteem and overall well-being. And that's all.
Nicely done.